Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef paya. First, clean your beef trotters meticulously using flour and white vinegar to ensure they are spotless. Next, sear them in a hot pan for a few minutes on each side until they achieve a light golden brown color. This step adds depth to the flavor. Finally, prepare all your spices and aromatics, having them ready for the next stages of cooking. Now, it's time to achieve that signature tenderness. Place the seared trotters into a pressure cooker with water, ginger, garlic, and a few whole spices. Cook for about 45 minutes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, simmer them gently on the stovetop for 3 to 4 hours. Remember to skim off any foam that appears, keeping your broth clear and clean. Let's build the rich flavor base. In a separate pot, sauté sliced onions in a bit of oil until they turn beautifully golden brown and caramelized. Then, add fresh ginger garlic paste and your chosen blend of ground spices, cooking them until their aroma fills your kitchen. Finally, stir in some yogurt or crushed tomatoes to create a wonderfully tangy and rich gravy. Almost there, carefully transfer the tender, cooked trotters into your aromatic spice base. Gently simmer everything together for another 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with naan or rice. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.